Hello, my name is Paul Norford. I'm a regional product manager in the EMEA region, specifically focused on looking at the customer-facing part of the enterprise mobile computing portfolio. Today, I'm going to take you through a couple of things about our new ET5X tablet product from Zebra Technologies. So, the ET5X is our brand new tablet product, and we're launching it in two versions. Firstly, we're launching the Windows version, but we're also launching an inside the four walls wireless LAN version and also a 4G LTE version. And this is denoted as ET50 being wireless LAN only and ET55 being wireless LAN and 4G. It comes in two sizes. We've got a 10-inch unit, which is this one here. And then we also are going to be bringing out the 8-inch unit, which is this one here. You'll notice that with the 8-inch unit, there's currently a rugged frame that sits around it, and the rugged frame can be easily removed by simply taking out the 12 screws around the bezel. Once you've done that, simply remove the device from in the middle, and there you are. The device is without the frame, and with that, it gives you a 1 meter drop spec to concrete. If you put the rugged frame back on, it increases that drop spec to 1.8 meters. So in comparison with our previous tablet product, the ET1, the ET5 is obviously slightly bigger. So this is our ET1. It's an Android product, as I'm sure you know. And as you can see, it is smaller than that of the ET5. I'll get slightly closer and I'll show you what some of the key differences are. So in terms of the three products that we have, we've got the ET1, which is our first generation tablet product running Android. We've then got the ET5X, which is this unit here. This is the 8-inch unit. And then as a comparison, we've got the 10-inch unit, again, the ET5. And you can see the differences between the 8-inch and the 10-inch unit. To make it a little bit easier, I'll take this out of the rugged frame. You can then see the clear differences between the two devices. So at launch, we're bringing together, like I say, the 8-inch device, which is this one here. We're also bringing to market the desktop dock. The desktop dock itself is a single charging dock. It also comes as a communications dock, which is this one here. And on the back, we've got 3 USB 3 ports, a power connector, obviously, the HDMI port to connect an external screen, plus a LAN connector just there. The base itself, you can simply plug the unit straight the way in, just like that, and it sits there. I can then plug a mouse and a keyboard into that and use that as my desktop PC, should I need to do that. But also, I can click the button, pull the device out, take it away, and I can use it as a simple tablet product. But with that as well, if I were to put the rugged frame on, it works just as well with the rugged frame installed. So imagine I put that on, I then put the 12 screws around the bezel. I simply have to remove the shim that's part of the desktop dock, run the same procedure again, and there it is plugged in, ready for me to go. So dependent on the configuration, the desktop dock will go with both with and without rugged frame around the device, and it will also support the 10-inch unit as expected. As the shim goes back in, that then drops in place like that. So as you can see on the 8-inch unit, we've got the rugged frame installed. The rugged frame will also be available for the 10-inch unit. And speaking of accessories, we're launching the accessories in 2 phases. As part of the phase 1 release, we'll have the rugged frame for the 8-inch unit, as well as the desktop dock that I showed a little bit earlier. But also, as part of the phase 2 release, which comes a little bit later on, we'll have a rotating hand strap, just like the one here on the ET1. We'll have that for our ET5 product, both the 8-inch and the 10-inch units. So in terms of the value proposition, the ET5 sits squarely between consumer-grade tablet products and also fully rugged tablet products. If you take consumer tablet products, for example, if you're using the device in a line of business application and the battery goes flat, you tend not to be able to replace the battery. With the ET5, the battery cover comes off the back and you have access to the battery. With fully rugged tablets, of course, with those tablets you expect them to be bomb-proof or being able to drive over them or something like that. The ET5 does not sit in that space. However, it does sit squarely in the middle. So an excellent enterprise service wrap from Zebra you'll have with the ET5, as well as some of the enterprise grade accessories that you saw a little bit earlier. So with that, thank you very much for watching.